Hey guys, my name is Ankita. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to create a glam Valentine's Day look. I used glittery gold and pink tones to achieve it, and I paired it with a neutral lip. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching. So I started off with my rose oil from Trader Joe's and my Smashbox Photo Finish More Than Primer. Next, I'm going right into the foundation. I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me in Dewy Smooth in the color 315 Soft Honey. I'm using just one drop. I use a really light layer of foundation. I'm really just using a tiny bit to ensure that I have an even base. Next, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 30 Honey. Then I'm going in with my Kat Von D translucent setting powder, applying that to all the places that I applied concealer. I'm going to do the rest of my face later and get started right on the eyes. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. The colors are so pigmented and super pretty. This palette has literally the perfect colors for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to start with this color Teddy, using a brush like this, and apply it in my crease. Next, I'm taking this color called Secret, and I'm applying that all over my lid. Blend it into the crease shade, and then apply it over the lid. Then I'm going to take this color Raw, and apply it, just spot it right in the crease, or the outer third. This immediately deepens the look. Carefully, with a flat shade brush, I'm taking this color called Bear and applying it in my inner corner. I'm kind of cutting my crease a little bit. I'm doing this so that when I do apply the very glittery shades, they can come out super pigmented. So starting with the color Crave, using this flat shade brush, applying this to my inner half actually. Switching over to my finger because it comes out better. You guys can see how pigmented this color is. It's so pretty. So next I'm going in with this color called Charmed. So I'm going to use this because it's going to just add more dimension and deepen up the look here. It's going to look cool. I'm just cleaning up the look by taking that color Secret. So for eyeliner, I don't want to use a liquid liner. I kind of want this to be a more softer look. I'm going to go into my Too Faced Brow Envy palette. Take this color called Brunette. It's the same color I used to do my eyebrows. And taking an angled brush, I'm going to wing my liner using this powder. I'm using one of my favorite mascaras called Monsieur Big by Lancome. This mascara in particular makes my eyelashes so long. Especially because this is a Valentine's Day look, I want my eyelashes to be super long because I think long eyelashes look very nice and flirty. For my eyeliner, I'm just going to use any brown eyeliner you have and place that on your lower lash line. So for lips, I'm using this Elizabeth Arden in the shade Bronze 3 lip liner. So I want my lips to be more nude brown tone because I put a lot of pink and glitter up above, so on my eyes. So I'm just applying that lip liner and going to use this lip gloss right on top. Because I did my eyes pink and gold, I want to complement it with my lips and make them brown and shiny. To finish off, I'm going to quickly contour my face. I'm using my favorite Park Ave Princess palette, using an angled blush brush like this. Going to take the color Angle. I'm also going to contour my nose. Take Enhance. I'm taking this MAC Studio blush and highlighter combo. Blush is called Counterpoint. Just apply a dot here and there, and just take a finger and blend it in. Then I'm taking the highlight side and I'm going to apply it right above my blush. Taking this brush and blending that out. And that's my completed look. So I think this look is really fun and I had so much fun creating it. I really love like warm golden tones, so this is definitely a very flattering eyeshadow look. I think it embodies like Valentine's Day really well. If you're trying to do like a glam Valentine's Day look, I think this is perfect. For my hair, I just put it in a ponytail, I put this accent pin here, and then I let a little strand of hair up here. And I curled it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!